Good morning, friends. At the outset, happy Independence Day to all. We are celebrating 74th Independence Day today. You might have heard that our Honorable Prime Minister stressed on the issue of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And definitely we will be successful. Let us hope that. Friends, yesterday we have discussed first part of the poem Prayers to Lord Murugan by A.K. Ramanujan. Now let me ask you one question. Why one prays? Or why we visit temple? Or why we visit the place in which we trust? Maybe temple, maybe mosque, maybe Gurudwara, etc. We pray God for welfare. We remember God when we are in certain worries. We are in certain difficulties. A.K. Ramanujan prays Lord Murugan, that I told you, son of Lord Shiva, known as Kartik Swami in Maharashtra. He prays God and asks him, the God of new arrivals and rivals, you are the God of everything. Please come like a cock ready for fight with weapons. And again he requests, with your arrival, the hands of women and garlands on the chest of man will be turned like a chariot wheel. That means your arrival will definitely change present condition. He says, "O God, please come and dance on these hills and other three hills. Continue your dance, that is Tandav. Continue your Tandav, your dance." So, the orange banners will be burnt and trumpet flowers, blue trumpet flowers can be played. So, God, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for lightning? Lightning विजांचा कडकडाट माहित आहे आपल्याला. In second part, poet asks, "O God, you have 6 unforeseen heads. You are the God of 6 heads, and still you are not embraced by having so many heads. Like other gods, you also have your own function, and each head of yours is busy in making proper faces." Then he says, "Lord of green growing things, give us a hand in our fight with the fruit fly. Tell us, will the red flower ever come to the branches of the blueprint? Praying God Kartikeya, Lord Kartikeya, asking him the God of green. Poet asked, when will you come? When will this city will be blessed? And when our flowers, red flowers, will come to the branches. See, flowers on the branches symbolizes arrival of new season. Here the poet requests God and ask him, give us your one hand. We are handless. Give us a hand and we are in fight. We are in fight with each other. Give us a hand and tell us when the red flowers will emerge on the branches of blueprint of the city. Then he says, Lord of great changes and small sails. Lord Murugan, you are the Lord of great changes and small sails. हे मुरुगन देवता, फार मोठ्या बदलांचा आणि सूक्ष्म अशा पेशींचा तू देवता आहेस. Exchange our painted grey pottery for iron copper, the leap of stone horses, our yellow grass and lily seed for rams. क्या मी ज्यांचा अतिशय आदराने अभिमानाने उल्लेख करतो त्या आमच्या शिल्पकला असतील किंवा आमच्याकडं असणारं पिवळ्या गवताचं आणि लिलीचं जे बियाणं आहे, सीड्स आहेत. Flesh and scarlet rise for the carnivals. On rivers, O dawn of nightmare, virgins bring us your white-haired witches who wear three colors even in sleep. The general life that we live. He says, we are happy with our tradition, with our culture. We have painted potteries, we have stone horses, we have the seeds of lily, we have the seeds of yellow grass. O God of great changes, please bring your witches. चेटकिनी, witches, चेटकिनी या अर्थाने की तू ये आणि हे जे आमचं सगळं जीवन आहे हे सर्व जीवन बदलून टाक. ह्या जीवनानं काय दिलेलं आहे काय नाही या गोष्टीचा विचार कवी पुढील भागामध्ये आणखी करतो. लॉर्ड ऑफ दिस पोर ऑफ टायग्रेस आउटसाइड आवर टाउन, हेन्स अँड civet cats live on the kills of leopards and tigers. Outside this city, we have cats, and cats live on leopards and tigers. उपरोधिक असा टोन आहे कवितेचा की आमच्या शहराबाहेर आमच्या मांजरी हा वाघ आणि चित्ता खाऊन जगतात. लौकिक अर्थाने जरी विचार केला तर समाजामध्ये जे खऱ्या अर्थानं चित्ता वाघ म्हणून गणले गेले होते त्यांचा कुठलाही सन्मान राहिलेला नाही. cats are living on tigers. मांजरी वाघाला खाऊन जगत आहेत. Too weak to finish what's began. पहा काय सुरू झाले सगळे. आणि म्हणून हे देवता राजा स्टँड ऑन फोटोग्राफ्स ओव्हर 9 foot silken tigresses that psychopaths have shoot. काय घडतं आहे देशात. राजे लोक शिकाऱ्यांनी शूट केलेल्या, सैनिकांनी शूट केलेल्या भल्या मोठ्या वाघाच्या वाघिणीच्या अंगावर पाय देऊन फोटो काढत आहेत. ॲक्च्युअली द हंट हॅज नॉट बीन डन बाय द किंग और राजा. द हंट हॅज बीन डन बाय द शूटर. But the photo shoot is done with the image or with the king. Here he says again, sleeping under country fans, huts or warm cans, turning over continually for the great shadows of fish in the open waters. We eat legends and livings. Remember the ivory, the apes, the peacocks we sent in the Bible to Solomon, the medicine of smallpox, the smiles for Muslim, wavering snakeskins, a cloud of steam, ever rehearsing astronauts. We purify and return our urine to the circling body and burn our faces for fuel to reach the moon through the sky behind the navel. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या देशाने जगाला काय दिलेलं नाही. या देशाने बायबलला मोर दिलेत. या देशाने मुस्लिम राष्ट्रांना काही दिलंय. या देशाने ईसाई राष्ट्रांना बरंचसं काही दिलेलं आहे. या देशाने जगाला खूप काही दिलंय, परंतु आम्ही केवळ इंधनासाठी तरसत आहोत. ए के रामानुजन हायलाइटिंग द ग्रेट हेरिटेज, कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया, comments on the India's humbleness, comments on the India's pitiable condition for fuel. This poem is actually a sarcastic remark on India's condition. Those students, we would like to send you videos of bigger strength. But since this is our first effort to use modern technology, short videos we will prefer. Remaining part we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.